Hello and welcome. I've got here for you the Skydancer, a cabriolet motorhome. Seen it in the past in various guises, and this is what it looks like right now. So, what's special about this? Well, it's a cabriolet, so you can actually drive a motorhome while the fresh air from above makes your travels refreshing. Let's come inside. Okay, so what we've got here, kitchen there, bedroom there, but we'll come up to the most interesting part is here. Now I need to make this very clear that we're looking here at a prototype model, and this model is first of all, it can be made to individual requirements, so it's built to what somebody may actually order. This is only an example of what could be built. That's the first thing. Right, so the idea of sitting up here, of course, is that you may say, well, why not just sit outside? Well, yes, you could just sit outside, but it's not quite the same as sitting here in the van. Right, so here, 4 seats, 2 tables can come in here. The gear actually retracts when the vehicle need to move the seats around or something like that, or you want to put it away to one side. I think though that in future all vehicles will be automatic to actually get rid of that problem. When you drive, it's like driving in any I would say even a lorry, because if you're in the driving position up here, you can see down there what's actually going on. This part here was left here for demonstration purposes. Another interesting feature is that this has internal mirrors, meaning that they're cameras. And as it was done, for example, Pilot had a vehicle a few years ago where they tried this. I think Hymer's done the same thing, or at least Mercedes has anyway, where they put the mirrors here, because you're used to looking to the right, so that is why it's put, the other one is put over there. Of course, if you wanted mirrors, so you could have them mounted here, for example. I think that's so it's a question of getting used to where they actually are. There is a sliding cover up there which will come across should you want it electrical, and that'll keep you dry when it starts to rain. You can also make this into a sleeping area as well, so there's lots of possibilities. Now the thing is though, this is a very small company, so things are just built to order. The idea of having mass production of something like this, it isn't realistic at the moment, but it could be in the future. Incidentally, if anybody's interested, I'll give you a link to the company and who to actually contact. Then that you can actually discuss things, doing things like that. Now, let's come now down into the habitation area. This would be space for the washroom would be here. Storage area here, possibly a wardrobe, for example, or maybe wardrobe down there. The bed system could be, okay, in the moment it's done as in it within a German layout. That also, again, the space could be, depending on requirements, be storage in this area. Here, in this case, it's using electric induction heating, not heating, cooking, but again, this depends on requirements. Storage above, storage below, sink, and this would be the washroom as well once it actually this one here gets done. This one here is waiting for fit out. So, and in here, this here is a Thetford standard tower fridge, two-way fridge, large door, And let's now come round and have a look at some of the features. Again, the door, for example, can be built to requirements. It'll come with here the garage. There's a large garage over the rear bed, and again the garage could be made to be bigger should that be a requirement, and the bed can go up higher as a result. Now this is an extremely unusual vehicle, first of its kind, and first of it, there are others which have been now built and which are on the road, but it is I do appreciate it's very much a niche market, but if somebody wants something like this, then again can be built to order. People say, how much does it cost? Well, I can't give you a price because I don't know what the specifications would be. Like anything which is built to order, it depends on the specifications which are actually given to the vehicle. So from that point of view, giving a price for something like this is totally impossible to do. Anyway though, there you have a look at it from the front. And so you'll find below information, links. If you're interested in this type of thing, then you can contact the company in Cologne directly. So this is manufactured in Cologne. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you found this interesting. I upload every day at 21:15, so it's my time. I'm based in Poland and in Germany, so I travel largely between the two countries, and I live in a motorhome myself, not a cabriolet motorhome, but I live in a one which is a normal one. But I do like the light very much, and I often refer to light in the videos that I do. So there you go. So for the moment, thanks for watching, and all the best from me in Germany.